Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is not how I look normally, but you know, today I'm bringing you another hair video because that is basically all I'm capable of doing, which is very good because I'm pretty good at it. Today is another wig video. I'm not actually cutting the bangs in my hair. I am really happy with my bob moment that I have going on, and I'm not about to chop bangs into it. Probably will at some point. That's usually how I do it. But today we're actually going to be cutting bangs into a wig, and I'm also going to show you some styles that you could do once you cut bangs, probably on your own hair. So I've actually got a bit of a funny story for you guys. The wig that I'm going to be using today is from ReadyWig. This is the first time that I'm working with it. I apologize for the state of the packaging. Apparently Malta Post does not know the term of handle with care. I had actually ordered this wig quite a while ago. And when I opened it from the box, I'm like, oh amazing, I have a bleach blonde wig that I could dye. So I take it out of the box, I'm like, this looks incredible. You know, the lace of it is really nice. It looks super like realistic and everything. The one indication that I got that it might not be a real human hair is the fact that it was whiter than normal bleached hair. I'm like, usually real human hair that is bleached has a slightly yellower undertone. This looks like it was already toned with like a silver toner or something, because it's this really stunning ice blonde wig. I like went to my emails again and I'm like, oh, 13-inch blonde synthetic wig. This video was actually supposed to be me dyeing this hair, except I later realized that it's synthetic, which is very good, because I literally did not tell from the quality, from the lace, from anything. I could tell only when I checked the email. So let me show you this wig. This is the wig that I got from ReadyWig.com. The lace work of it is phenomenal. You could see over here how blendable it already looks. So like the scalp area or the lace of it looks really natural. The color is insane. Cut is gorgeous. It was gorgeous, and I was actually going to dye it. Maybe one day I still actually show you a video on how to dye synthetic hair, but today is not that day. Instead, I came up with a better idea. Today I'm going to chop bangs into it. I went on like my videos list and I realized that you guys really like videos of me cutting bangs into things. Usually it's not my hair because I only have so much hair. So today I'm going to be cutting it into this. As I said, this is the first time that I'm working with ReadyWig. You do get a wig cap with it, a little spray bottle for you to use, and a little hair care package, so that if you are new to wigs, you do get to see how exactly to take care of your wigs. This retails for $48. $48, that's actually a really good price, even for a synthetic wig. So definitely check it out below if you are looking for a really realistic, beyond realistic synthetic wig for like really affordable. So I'm going to link it down in the description box below, as well as any coupon codes that I have for you guys. So this is how the wig looks on. Once again, I'm going to emphasize on the fact that it looks realistic as heck. Okay, can you... I want a semi-full but not like too heavy fringe, so let's get into it. Now that we look like spy version Barbie, it's time to show you how to style it. Style number 1. So here are 3 hairstyles that I think that you could rock with bangs, or you could rock without bangs realistically. Link of this incredible wig is going to be down in the description box below. As I said, it's ridiculously affordable. I went and double checked the price. It's 48 something, around $50, and you get a fantastically realistic blonde wig in this. It's incredible, it's mind-blowing. So I'm going to leave the link of that down below. As I said, it is by ReadyWig. So first impression of this brand, incredible. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.